Welcome to my channel. Today I am here with previous year repeated MCQs on skills of teaching and maxims of teaching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Teaching letters before teaching words follows which maxim? Options: A. Whole to part, B. Simple to complex, C. Abstract to concrete, and D. Unknown to known. Answer is B. Simple to complex. From teaching ABCD, then making words. So learning begins with simple elements. Question number 2. Showing a real flower before explaining parts of flower is concrete to abstract, B. Abstract to concrete, C. Analysis to synthesis, D. Psychological to logical. Answer is A. That is concrete to abstract. Real flower leads to understand diagram, then theory. Real objects help concept clarity. Question number 3. A teacher begins with local examples to explain global warming. Which maxim? A. Particular to general, B. Known to unknown, C. Psychological to logical, D. Simple to complex. Answer is B. That is known to unknown. Local pollution leads to global warming. New knowledge connects the known ideas here. Question number 4. Teacher begins lesson by linking previous learning skills. Which skill is this? A. Closure, B. Set induction, C. In reinforcement, D. Probing. Answer is B. Set induction. It helps students mentally prepare for the upcoming lesson. Question number 5. Explaining rule after giving many examples indicates a deductive method, B. Inductive method, C. Synthesis method, D. Analytic method. Answer is B. Inductive method. Example is showing nouns to students to derive the rules. So rule derived from examples is induction. Inductive method. Question number 6. Asking why do you think this happens is part of A. Stimulus variation, B. Reinforcement, C. Probing questions, D. Illustration. Answer is C. Probing question. It depends the understanding. Question number 7. Using charts, maps, and models show which teaching skill. A. Explanation skill, B. Teaching aids skill, C. Blackboard skill, D. Reinforcement skill. Answer is B. Teaching aids skill. Visuals improve the comprehension. Question number 8. A teacher changes voice tone, facial expressions, and movement. Which skill is this? A. Stimulus variation, B. Reinforcement, C. Set induction, D. Closure. Answer is A. Stimulus variation. It maintains the students' attention towards teacher and teaching also. Question number 9. Writing important points on the board reflects a blackboard skill, B. Explanation skill, C. Illustration, D. Questioning skill. Answer is A. Blackboard skill. It organizes and highlights the information for the students. Question number 10. Allowing students to discover grammar rule themselves is A. Deductive, B. Inductive, C. Analytic, and D. Synthetic. Answer is B. Inductive. Rules, examples to rules is inductive method. It encourages inquiry learning. Question number 11. Giving praise like good job is a part of A. Set induction, B. Reinforcement, C. Probing, D. Stimulus variation. Answer is B. Reinforcement. It encourages positive behavior. Question number 12. Starting from a whole paragraph, then breaking into sentences is A. Whole to part, B. Part to whole, C. Simple to complex, D. Abstract to concrete. Answer is A. Whole to part. Understanding begins with the whole. Question number 13. A teacher summarizes key points at the end. This is A. Reinforcement, B. Closure, C. Evaluation, D. Set induction. Answer is B. Closure. It helps to retain the main ideas of the topic. Question number 14. Giving clear stepwise explanation reflects which skill? A. Explanation skill, B. Reinforcement skill, C. Blackboard skill, D. Illustration skill. Answer is A. Explanation skill. It is logical, clear sequencing of the topic. Question number 15. Using real life examples to explain a math concept follows are A. Deductive, B. Inductive, C. Known to unknown, D. Part to whole. Answer is known to unknown. Shop billing leads to knowledge of addition. It connects with the student's experience. Question number 16. Teacher waits 5 seconds after asking a question. This improves reinforcement. B. Set induction. C. Pausing skill, that is wait time. D. Closure. Answer is C. Pausing skill. It encourages thoughtful responses. Question number 17. Showing a model of the solar system before theory uses A. Abstract to concrete, B. Concrete to abstract, C. Deductive, D. Simple to complex. Answer is B. Concrete to abstract. Concrete model leads to abstract concept. Question number 18. Using everyday life problems in class is a part of A. Motivation skill, B. Reinforcement skill, C. Blackboard skill, D. Stimulus variation. Answer is A. Motivation skill. Connects learning with life. Question number 19. Teacher asks lower level questions first, then higher level skills. Skill is A. Introduction, B. Questioning, C. Evaluation, D. Skill of Blackboard. Answer is B. Questioning. It encourages progression in learning and thinking. Question number 20. Demonstrating an activity before students perform is an example of A. Deductive method, B. Maxim of demonstration, C. Whole to part, D. Inductive method. Answer is B. Maxim of demonstration. Teacher first performs experiment. Students learn better when they see. That's all. Thank you.